lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world.
Baby Sabrina.
Philippine area.
Area of responsibilities. Kapangit, charot.
Dali. Bakit ganon?
Kapahagard. Daming tao kasi. Video yan. Hi! Welcome to Qatar.
Sorry.
Decharpuhan mo, be. Be, huwag mo bilisan. Wait lang.
You're right.
Yun nga yung gusto ko eh.
الشباك نرمي لك حالي 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 يا عيني. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bud! Hi, so I'm home now and it's already the next day. Yesterday I went to the Qatar International Food Festival. So actually I really wanted to go there for like quite some time, and I was really having doubts to go there because it's really cold outside. So compared to last year, this year was colder, evidently. Yeah, right now even it's like around 11 degrees or 10 degrees, between 10 to 13 degrees. So for Doha or Qatar, it's already cold. And even like some people, they commented like it was colder compared to the last year. So I tried my best to go there. So either yesterday or today. So I decided to go yesterday. I went there alone, and then to be honest, I regretted going there because it was really cold. Like the coldness is like burning my face, to be honest. And the metro station was quite far from the stadium, and I walked like, I felt like I was walking for like 2 to 3 days or something like that. And then when I got there, it was really crowded, and I'm not really a fan of crowded places. So yeah, it was not too enjoyable for me, and especially I was alone too. I was like kept to myself or something. So yeah, I don't know what else to talk about today. I just wanted to share to you where I went yesterday, and maybe that will be the last food festival that I will go to because it was really cold and I got too much tired. And I arrived home yesterday really late as well, around 11:30 maybe. And when I got home, I went straight to bed because I was in the morning shift earlier, so I needed to wake up early. And finally, I ended my morning shift for the week. So tomorrow I'll be night shift again, and then day off, and then back to the evening. I'm not really a fan of morning shifts because I hate waking up early. Really. It's not about laziness, but my body prefers to be working or active in the evening time. Yeah, what to do? So I hope everybody is having a good day today, and always remember, don't let your stress ruin your year, ruin your day, ruin your hour, or whatever. So stay inspired, see you next time. Adieu.
Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades.